Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we are preparing this Jello no-bake pumpkin style pie. We are going to make it as bars though, but either way that you want to have it, bars or pie, it's going to be the same directions essentially. So if you have lost your box or you just need a visual guide, we're here to help. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your pumpkin style pie mix. You're going to need some sort of pan to put this in, either a pie pan or an 8-inch pan, or you could put this in a 9-inch pan. I've done that before. It'll just be a little bit thinner. The bars won't be as thick. A bowl to mix everything up in, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 2.5 cups of cold milk, and a mixer. If you don't have a hand mixer or a stand mixer, I also used to not have one. So go check out my other Jello pie and bar videos that I've done on this channel. I did all of those without a mixer before, so it can definitely still be done. So the first thing that we need to do is prepare our crust. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. I do my best to get the graham cracker and the sugar mixed up pretty evenly before I put the butter on, because once you put the butter on, everything is kind of stuck together and it's a little bit harder to mix them up as well. I'm also going to wear gloves for this part where I am pressing in the crust at the bottom because I don't like getting all of this gunk up under my nails. You definitely don't have to do that though. Try to get each part of the crust mixture wet so that way it sticks together and there's no like dry bits of crust that are just going to crumble apart as soon as you try to cut into them. This is also where having it foil lined will help, because then you can just easily pick it up out of the container and cut it into your bars. If you are doing this in a pie pan though, I would still highly recommend foil lining your pie pan, because even following their directions, it is still going to be very difficult to get it up out of your pie pan without crumbling your entire crust. Now set your crust aside and we're going to put together our filling mixture. So combine in your bowl your 2.5 cups milk and your filling mixture, and then we're going to beat it on low speed for about a minute. And now that that's done, we're just gonna go ahead and pop that into our crust. And now we're going to pop this into the fridge for a minimum of 1 hour, but I feel like the longer the better. Ideally, overnight is best. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. And we are back like magic, and here is our completed Jello no-bake pumpkin style pie bars. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5-Minute Eats, where we're going to give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye! All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5-Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.